Okay. All right, let's see. Okay. It is that easy. Huh. Uh, yeah, I'll just take it then. All right. I didn't expect this one to be easy, but we'll see. I'm shorting the double top here on the ES. So we'll see if we can get a move down. I'm actually looking for a price to actually come back down into this area right here to trap the bears. I do expect for us to see this move down. But I do expect for the bears to get trapped, thinking that this is a real short or a reversal. This is most likely, profit taking. Most likely, people selling that retest of that high at 50. So I don't expect a reversal, but I do expect some profit taking here. We'll see how much we get. All right, so let's see. Let's look at the volume real quick and see if see what we're working with. I mean, of course, everybody's in the Nasdaq. Of course, of course, everybody's in the Nasdaq right now. I mean, we only got. I mean, this is not good volume for the ES. At least for the ES, we want to see at least 200,000, contracts being traded. And obviously, with it being a half day and a day before a major holiday, I mean, I guess we should expect this. So we'll see what the day brings. We'll see. Honestly, I mean, well, shit. Well, no, I'm gonna take this short. Win or lose. I mean, if I lose this trade, it's only a $450 loss. So it's not a big deal if I lose this. Well, obviously I don't want to, but if I get my stop hit, it's not a big deal. But it's hard not to short a double top though. So we'll try here. We'll try. We'll give it a try. All right, so this is what I really want to see. I really want to see what they do here at 53. All right, so let's see if we can get a decent scale in here. Okay. All right, let's see what we can get here. Let's see what we can get. Of course. Of course. Of course. Of course. Something told me that double top would have been a trap. Especially on a day where the liquidity is light. Something told me that that was going to be a trap above that high. I mean, technically, I guess I kind of was somewhat in profit, but mm, mm. Let me see. Mm. I appreciate that bull trade bullish. I appreciate that. Mm. 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 Yeah, I should have figured that that double top at 50 was a trap. Mm. We will see. Mm. What I really want to see is mm, what I want to see is kind of what they do here. If we see a breakout from the bulls, then I'll try to close this as early as possible. If we see a breakout, because technically this is a breakout, technically. Mm. All right. And if the bears can hold this, then I'll stick with the short. But if they can't, which they usually don't on holidays, they usually don't hold it on holidays for whatever reason. Mm. All right. Mm. I think I'm gonna start doing it like that too. Mm. No, I'm short the ES, Jack. I'm short the ES. I shorted that double top at 50, I think. Yeah, at 50. And so I'm in it long. I got my stop at 60. We'll see what happens. Mm. Shorted the double top at 50. We'll see what happens. Actually, let's look at the Nasdaq though. Mm. Mm. Yeah, because technically we are trending. We are trending for sure. We are trending on the Nasdaq. Well, okay. Hmm. The ES is trending as well. Mm. I guess I shouldn't expect this to. Okay, so we'll see what happens. uh, mm, mm. Okay. It definitely won't look like it. Yeah, I should have known. Honestly, I should have just known that. I guess should have just known that double top wouldn't have been a double top. Uh, one time when I needed it to be a double top, it's not a double top. Mm. Get 'em. All right, so we got the 9 o'clock. I'll go the next 5 minutes. Mm. Mm. Yeah, the way that this thing is moving, yeah, this thing could, yeah, especially find support. Okay, so if I'm giving break even on this trade, or at least close to it, I'll take it, or I'll at least move my stop down. If given the opportunity to break even on this trade on the ES. Mm. Yeah, Jack, my bad. I was looking at this trade. Yeah, so initially I was expecting for at least a drop, at least on the ES where my first target's at. That's what I was looking for initially. I mean, we had a double top at 50. I figured that people would take profits at Friday's high, but they didn't do that. Apparently, everybody that thought the same thing is now underwater in this trade. Everything is underwater. Yeah. So my only hope now is that I can at least get break even, which is probably not looking well. Hopefully this thing doesn't push up and stop me out and then come down to break even. Yeah, because I was in this trade at about, I guess before I was away from my desk, because this was a trade that I had placed. I think I set this limit, I think what, on Sunday night, I set this limit at 50 to sell the retest of this. And I guess I forgot. So when I came to my desk, I was already in this trade. And yeah, I was up about 6 or 7 points. So I figured that, well, maybe we can see a move down here. But obviously this thing bounced. And I should have known that on holidays, the market does this crap. And I don't know why I thought this holiday would be any different. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, I'm probably going to switch to the NQ after this. Because like I said, I had this limit sitting for since Sunday. So I was actually surprised this limit was still on the damn in this account. Yeah, I should have just known that, because what this thing could possibly go to is 70, because 70 is the real, or 60, 70 is like the real area of supply. Mm. Okay. Yes. Mm.
Yeah, you trying to short this?
Um, I wasn't, but I came to my desk and I was in a short. So, I had to let it ride.
Oh, you got a limit set?
Yeah. Yeah. I had a limit set at 50 uh, to retest to sell the, retest at this high. And I let it ride because when I was up like 6, 7 points initially, but obviously I'm not up 6 or 7 points anymore. I just got stopped out of it. So, um, now I guess I can. Uh, mm, what are you looking at? Mm,
That's on my desk.
oh, you just got to your desk. Mm,
Yeah. I'm looking to see if the bull's gonna be completely regarded today.
mm. I mean,
Or
it's a
if that,
holiday, dude. I don't even. Uh,
yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. The day's a holiday. I was fighting against that, but I mean, obviously the market was trending. Obviously, it didn't really show any signs of. It didn't really show any signs of wanting to reverse. So now I'm trying to find a good spot to go long.
Yeah.
And then as soon as you go long, this thing, all of a sudden, it just all hell breaks loose and everything drops out of the damn sky.
That's normally how it works.
It's like, fine, I'm fine. Since everybody's going to be absolutely regarded today, fine. But so, I mean, we could be, yeah, we could just, because price found support above the golden zone. So we could, I mean, once we see that push above the golden zone, we could see a pullback. So, I mean, if we can get a pullback to this golden zone, then I'll go long on the Nasdaq. I want to see what they do here. They're just heavily just trending.
Surprise SPY not over 600 yet. Hmm.
Man, I might just, I mean, man, bumping, man. I might just pay the $7, dude. Pay the $7 damn.
For what?
To get the real time data on trading.
Oh, yeah. That happened to me yesterday. I was like, what is this? This must not auto renew.
Yeah, you got auto renew
Used to be
yesterday.
$5.
I don't know. How'd you get it for $5?
No, I said it used to be $5.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah. It used to be, yeah. It's like, what the fuck? Got charged for $90.
They slick. Raise it $2.
Mm-hmm. And shit, they shouldn't be hurting for no damn money. Who isn't using TradingView right now? Be upping their prices like that. Bastards. Upping their prices like that. Okay. All right. So let's see, man. Yeah, this thing is just steady going, man.
Yep. Alfred say you the Grinch that shorted Christmas. Like, damn it, I want my short.
I mean, like I said, in my defense, I didn't think it was going to short today. It was just a limit I didn't know I still had on my chart. I thought the prop firms automatically delete the limits when it goes to the new session. It was my fault. I should have paid attention. But I was up when I came to my test, so that's why I kept it. I was up.
That is too funny. All right, so oh wow.
Yeah, this shit is just
Yeah.
still going. This thing is
Holidays.
still going.
There's
Stop.
almost
Pull
no
back.
holidays.
Pull back, please. Please. Pull back.
For me.
Okay. You know what time it is? Well, I know that we all know what happens when we come back from Christmas. You don't see nothing but red, baby. Dang, this thing's getting awfully close to the 23%. You know what, man?
You want to short that?
No. I'm not shorting it. I'm just gonna take this risky ass long. This thing is just inching up. You think it happens though? As soon as I shit. As soon as I get in long, this thing takes a nosedive.
Well, it just missed my target by 2 ticks, so
Yeah, it's probably still good, bro. This thing's still going up.
down 10 points now from my target. That's kind of crazy. And I thought, I took the long, saying F it.
Mm-hmm.
Now this wants to be stupid. Literally missed my TP by 2 ticks.
Did we just hit did we hit like resistance or some shit? Like this thing is dropping like we just hit resistance. Like, oh yeah, we did. Yeah, we did hit resistance, huh? We just did hit resistance. Huh. That's interesting.
Yeah, that's the first.
I mean, 950. I mean, if they can get it above that, then I mean, like I said, I guess it is Christmas. I mean, it's Christmas. And it's funny because what if I just did went long? This thing would have just nosedived. Like, I swear, dude. It just knows when you get you get long. It says next stop is 22,000. You think so, Alfred? It's like, nah.
Go ahead, get in long now. She got her drop. Bulls should be regarded enough to buy it right back. Oh, never mind. Too slow. Got to be quicker than that.
You gotta be quicker than that. Nah, I'm gonna wait for that pullback to the 50. That 50 gonna be the deciding factor. That 50 is exactly where the golden zone is right now. $820.
Wow.
I mean, that's crazy, man. Yeah, I mean, I really shouldn't have expected too much because uh, mm,
Play these silly games in Q.
hmm, that's interesting.
Huh.
That's interesting. Let me sell this. Let me see. I just want to see a failure real quick because the Bulls just failed. Or at least it looks like it. At least.
Crazy. Just keep
Yeah,
dumping 10 point range.
I don't want to. I feel like this thing is gonna probably trap. I feel like this thing is gonna probably trap bears that try to short this thing, making them think, "Oh yeah, this look at all this exhaustion, quote unquote," and then touch that 50 EMA, which is coincidentally at the top of this range, and then start turning around and clapping. But the Nasdaq is very notorious for doing fake exhaustion patterns because technically on low liquidity, yeah, I mean it is exhausted technically. Technically, it just needs some more bear stops to fuel the market higher. That's it. All right. So what I'm looking for is for the 50 to come around. If that 50 comes around and I see that drop, I'm shorting, but I'm pretty sure that we ain't gonna see no drop. The way that I mean it's a holiday pump. Uh this thing just kept going up. Like he had only like one significant pullback, and that was at the end of yesterday's session. And then obviously we're getting a second leg higher. Um I mean, Bulls are definitely running this thing. I mean, if they get it past 50, 950, I mean, that would be interesting to see what happens after that. Because obviously, this is established resistance. So see if it will trade right through it. We'll see. It trades right through it.
Much higher. SPY new high. Man, fumbled the bag on those calls. MS
Yeah.
came back 600% just to get me back in profit, and I didn't. Yeah, that's crazy.
Well, I mean,
6.
oh, that ain't looking too good right there. That looking like exhaustion. We'll see. I mean, like on low liquidity days, I think exhaustion patterns are traps because they know the market knows how us bears think. We can sell, 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 sell.
I think it's a trap too. That's why I'm still in my long.
Yeah.
They're not gonna. Nice try, Diddy. You're not gonna get me. But it does. I mean, from a traditional bear, looking at it through a traditional bear lens, yeah,
Yeah, that's a
looks
short,
like
bro. That's a short.
almost double top.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but I don't care.
That is
I'm gonna
definitely
ignore.
a short or a setup for
I'm
one.
gonna. I'm gonna ignore what I see.
I don't see.
Despite my.
Hey, you want to come to my mansion party? Nice try, Diddy. No.
You gotta tell them no.
You got to tell him.
In this case, you gotta tell the shorts no. That's
so funny. The market said, yeah, take that short. Take it. Take that short. Take it.
So you can get clapped.
Yeah, take that. Take that. That's funny. 8:30, huh? Take that. Take that. It's like, take that short, Sherm. You know you want to. You know you want to.
I'd rather. I should take profit and get in lower if you do go lower. But see, then that's what they try to get you to do. Question. They're trying. But this guy's a setup for them to get clapped. Oh, maybe not.
Yeah.
Uh,
It says, you know you want to. Look, you broke the 21. You know you want to.
That's crazy.
Come on, take that short. Come on. Watch it bounce.
All right. Use my break even as a trampoline, as Alfred would say. Bounce to the heavens. 22K.
I don't think we see 22K today.
Yeah, I don't think so either.
Yeah, because I mean, dude, I know that, all this bullish euphoria is great and all, but dude, we're running up into resistance. That would look so weird for this thing just to shoot past all this on low liquidity. That would just be weird. That would be weird. And I would have to question everything I know about technical analysis if this thing actually did just shoot through all this without at least a pullback, at least people taking profits at these highs. Because the reason why, a retest of prior structure is really good is because, especially if people are long here and somehow manage to survive this dip, they're getting out at break even. They're like, finally, I'm at break even. I'm taking profits, and that's why we usually see stuff like that. at the retest of prior structure. So I mean, if it just traded past that, that would have surprised the hell out of me. I ain't gonna lie, that would have been surprising. But well, I mean, hey, I wonder if they're gonna try to. We'll see, man. We'll see.
Could have caught the short. So what I saw was not lying to me. I lied to myself. Okay, so that's good at least.
Nah,
Coulda,
that's how.
yeah,
That's always how it
that'd
works, man. That's always how it works.
yeah, that'd have been like cool 30, 34, 35 points.
Mm-hmm.
But now we right, they just blast right back up.
Yeah.
Well, I survived Diddy. I survived the dip.
Mm.
Now we can go back up to Valhalla. Can't believe it missed me on that. So the high, it created that high and missed me by 2 ticks.
Damn, really?
Wow. My first TP. Okay. Yeah. Surely we got this. Nope. Now we right back up. See that 9? Okay, so 900 would have been a good buying opportunity.
Yeah, I kind of figured that it would kind of do that. But we'll see if the Bulls can hold this, because the Bulls got to hold it first. They got to hold, because technically it's a failure, but then at the same time, technically this is also like a small little two-legged pullback right here. Technically it's a small little two-legged pullback into a support area. So we'll see, man. They definitely have to hold 925. They have to hold this. I mean, well, the Bears got to hold it.
So Bitcoin been looking and trading that.
Damn. Good thing I ain't shorted for real. Good thing. Yeah. Is this a short on Bitcoin? It could be a short.
These crazy. So drop 22.
Well, 925 has been. I mean, the way that this is looking, I mean, we could see a retest, but I mean, the bears are definitely going to have to push. We're going to need to see a strong red candle here for me to confirm a short. But we do see the 21 in VWAP lurking right here. So I mean, even if we do see a drop, 840, 830, probably 820 at the most. Yeah, probably like 820. That should probably be your target if you're gonna try to do this thing short.
Yeah, now it puts the Bulls in a position like, okay, like you said, you got to break above 925. My if my entry was 900, I'd feel a little bit better
Mm.
holding, but with it being so close, and all these orders stacking up, trying to stack up against me. Use them as liquidity. Pump.
We got him. We got him. We got him.
Played my trap card.
One day us bears are going to
What
be
did he?
supreme again. The market is going to be so bearish, but you know the crazy thing is that the market is super bearish. That means everything else is in shambles. The economy is in shambles. Everything. But the market becomes super bearish.
Yeah, the some 08, 09 type of markets. I mean, and all eventually, yeah, I'm actually waiting for a super bearish market because that's when you need to be buying up. You get great deals on stocks and stuff and leaps
Mhm.
for the long term.
Get that generational wealth. I mean, we'll see what happens, man. Because we usually do get that inauguration dump. I mean, we usually do. And shit, if you were to bought the dip on Biden's when he first got in office, that dump, man, just all that generation. Like, dude, Spy went all the way down to I forgot where was Spy at. Spy was like in the 400s, right? I think it dropped all the way down to 350. I think. Just imagine buying Spy at 350, dude. When it was like down there. I think it got to 358, and then after it touched 358, it never went back, or it hasn't never. It hasn't went back since.
I don't
So,
think we even
but
something really bad would have to happen for us to
mhm.
get down to that again.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Yeah. So that's what I was saying. Like maybe we can get that inauguration done with Trump. Maybe. Who knows? Maybe.
This is where we hold.
This is Sparta.
We die. 35. I see you, but I don't want you. I want my original TP. So you better get up there and break highs. You know what?
Oh shit.
I feel like I've seen this movie before.
Yeah. I just thought about that too. Yeah. I'm sitting here looking at it, but you got a bullish move into a range.
Oh shoot. I feel like I've seen this movie before. We might get a dump. Oh shoot. Oh,
Yeah,
do it,
so
NQ. Prove me wrong.
hold on guys. Let me see what my mom wants real quick. Give me a second. Mhm.
Infinite liquidity. There we go. Don't stop. Can't stop. Won't stop.
All right. So why do you think it's gonna? Yeah, we got bullish move into a range. We could see, or we should expect another move up. We should.
Stop. Won't stop. Uh, uh. Oh, come on, NQ. Stop doing this. I get it. I know what it looks like. I see the structure. But we unconventional these days.
Yeah. The market is totally divorced from the actual economy. I wonder if that's could be a double top. I mean, this area right here, and this area right here is potential resistance. I mean, I know the market is being crazy right now, but I mean, is it just going to trade through structure? I mean, I don't think so. I mean, it shouldn't. Hopefully it don't, because then what kind of market will we be in if it don't respect prior structure? I mean, well, I don't think I want to trade in a market like that.
I want to trade in a market that don't respect structure. Come on. Yes, give us another. Yeah, this is looking kind of crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, it seems like nobody wants to give up on this. The bulls are just going to keep buying. The bears are just going to try to short this. There's no confirmation short. So I mean, if you're short this, I mean, there hasn't been any confirmation. If you're still long this, well, there hasn't been a confirmation short. So,
Well, this one guy is short in the book map chat.
of course,
You know he about to get clapped, right? That's
yo,
confirmation right there.
dude. I don't know what it
Straight
is
up
about
get
the ES chat, but dude, dude, you think the Nasdaq chat is full of bears, dude? The ES chat is full of bears. I'm like, yo, everybody's a bear on the ES chat. I'm like, yo, why y'all so bearish like this?
Really?
I mean, I can understand the damn Nasdaq, but ES? Why y'all so bearish like this?
The stable sweetheart? Catching glimpses of NQ. But for the most part, she's the stable sweetheart.
Mm-hmm.
Get in at the right spot on her, you can just sit back and enjoy the ride. All right, I'm gonna scale out of some of this. Scale out a couple cons here because you.
Yeah. ES, the Nasdaq is just running. Holiday pump. Holiday freaking pump, dude. All right. That's gonna be a new rule from now on. Don't even look for shorts on a holiday. Don't even look for shorts. I don't honestly, I really don't know how I even get caught up in this when I know this to be true. Just to get long on holidays, because it's always gonna pump. That holiday pump is a thing for a reason. This shit never shorts on a holiday.
Do find it crazy that they're struggling to break this high and they're like right there. When ES is already broken out. But they've been acting different. They have been acting different.
Hmm.
Held out one more contract. Thank. Wow, they are holding that till now. Haha, give me my original TP.
That is so
Ah.
expected. And I was sitting here thinking about always the missed opportunities on the ES. I freaking swear, because I was thinking about actually getting into this, but I was like, man, when do they pull back on this shit? They never do on holidays.
You destroy my world. About to go Ultra Instinct. I know he got clapped if he didn't get out of his short. I told you. I told you. He's smiling. Man, you know you didn't. You a crying meme right now.
Oh, you in the that's what he's talking about? What he's saying?
Said,
Uh
he said, "Bears, do your thing."
do your thing, Bears. Do your thing.
Oh, and I missed my second TP up here by 2 points now. Well, that's obvious though. I should have known the front run 50. You got to front run the first time because it ain't
Yeah.
gonna hit the first time.
Well, shit. I mean, huh? Hmm. Nah. I mean, this short ain't gonna work. It's not gonna work. Man, shit. I might as well just go long. I might as well go long. It's not gonna go short or nothing. It's not gonna pull back or nothing. Might as well go long. God. I
Could
mean,
have
if we
been
went
long
long at the
guy
50,
here.
like I should have thought
Yeah.
about it.
He said, when I was like, "Hey, here's your chance." Oh, never mind. Got to be quicker than that.
I want a short, damn it. I want a short. I don't want a long. I want a short.
Oh shoot! I accidentally went short. Dang it!
Yeah, accidentally went short.
I did. That was an accident. I was trying to. Yeah, it's all good. I got out of that though.
Okay, that's how I know. All right, I believe you now. I believe you now.
No,
You can't bullshit a bear. You can't bullshit a bear. You can't bullshit a bear.
I actually did. So, because I had, yeah, that was actually kind of scary too. That could have been real bad, and it was 4 contracts because I was trailing to scale out accidentally. Yeah, I don't even know how that happened, but we got out. We settled it.
Yeah, that's how you know that we believe you. Oh, I accidentally got in my short. Well, let's see what happens. Then we don't believe you after that. Now, if you get in and get out, then okay, all right, okay, okay. Can't bullshit another bear. We know how this shit works. Oops. I'm accidentally in a short. Well, let's see what happens here.
Oops. Oops. Nah. I had to close that real quick. That would have been, that actually could have turned out real bad.
Mm-hmm.
Because I don't know, I don't even know how it happened. I clicked the button, which would have been, yeah, I don't know. But it exited, so it exited my long position at a kind of a crappy spot. And then
Mm-hmm.
I was short one because I had 4.
Well, I mean, I don't know what to tell myself. I mean, unless this thing is trying to
F
go
it.
to freaking 90.
I just went long right here. F it. At least give me get this double top. Give me 950. He bought. Load the dip.
Love the dip. He bought. He went all in. Dump it. Dump it.
I just want to take his money. I want to take his happiness too.
Bitch Just don't want to take away his money. You want to take away his hope and happiness too. All right. I mean, we got this 23% coming up.
Go, baby. Man. Yo. 49 is crazy.
I mean, it's supposed to be
50.
I mean, it's supposed to be resistance, but it's low liquidity, so we probably ain't gonna get it.
Yeah, I know, but you know, just clear 50. Dang. Do what you want to do. You know you want to do it. All these orders sitting there. Where's old boy at? Who's still shorting this?
Man, I feel like a fool. I should have closed that short, man. Yeah, let me just. Dude, what? Took that unnecessary loss this morning.
All right, I'm pushing my TP up to 960.
Crazy thing is, it was in profit. That's what the crazy thing is. It was in profit.
Here we go.
I don't know how I got myself back in that situation, but oh, so apparently I passed the Top Step account. I didn't know I did that. Apparently. Oh, were you able to get that well, I don't know if you have a My Funded Futures account.
No. They still doing it, or they
No, that shit's gone.
closed it out?
Yeah, that shit's gone.
Of course. They don't last long.
Nope.
Dang.
Well,
how long with me, bro? Random long. 938 is my entry. Terrible entry.
I wonder at the end of the damn session if we'll get an end of session dump. I wonder.
It's on the previous.
He says Santa is real, y'all. Santa is real. Pump the scam. You gotta love it. Pump this scam. Well.
Well, when everybody gets euphoric like this, that's when it's time to be cautious.
Yep.
Everybody wants 22K now. Nobody's willing to sell and become liquidity to get us there.
Coincidentally, 22K is around that golden zone. I think I'm gonna go short at this 23%, man. I'm gonna go short. I'm shorting 23%. I'm shorting it. I'm gonna short it. I'm gonna short it. No. No, don't do it.
Short shouldn't even be in your vocabulary today. That shouldn't even be in the vocabulary for today.
Don't do it.
No, don't do it.
Me outside my window banging on it. No, don't sell it. Keep going long. Sell it. Go long. Don't sell it.
Don't do it, Murph. No. You see Interstellar?
No, I haven't.
Oh man, they got a meme about it. Don't do it, Murph. No. Oh shoot.
Let's see what the bearish ES chat is saying. They say that it's time to short. I'm a short.
Oh gosh. How many times have they been right?
Not often. Well, there was this one guy that just was random. He was like, yeah, y'all bears are getting very euphoric. Y'all about to find out. And he was right. I was like, what the fuck? How did you know that it was going to be like a big dump? Because I was looking at the charts and I was like, I mean, I do see that this is an area of resistance, but not so much to the fact that you get like a big dump. Because I forgot which one where it was. We had like a 20 or it was like a 30 or 40 point dump on the ES that day. It's like how the fuck did he know that? So I'm gonna short. Alfred said the only thing short is a trading day. Hey.
They do be trying, but whoever just took that short from 960 now will become liquidity to pump us another 10 points or so, or however it wants to work. Look at it.
Who says that
I'm
a short
just
at
talking about
60?
liquidity.
Who says that
I'm
short at
just
960?
saying, like, because that was a spot that a lot of people were looking
I'm where?
to take it short. Yeah.
Well, we're coming up to that 23%. Coming up to it. We're coming up to it. We're coming up to it. Ah, man. Do your thing. Do your thing, NQ. Do your thing. I'm shorting it.
Yeah.
All right, is that the right one?
No, don't do it.
I'm in this sim. I'm in this sim. This is not a. It's not an account for real. I definitely want to short this 23%. I'm in. I shorted. All right, let's see if this will work out. Probably run that thing down like that. All right, we'll see if it works out. We'll see. We'll see, Alfred. Now, Nasdaq, you're at the 23%. You better not make me look like a fool. You better short. Shit. It's probably not going to short for real, guys. But I mean, a bear can dream. A bear can definitely have dreams of shorting a bullish market and being right.
That's too funny.
He's going down in bear history. He found the top of a bullish market and he shorted it. And he was right.
Yeah, that's crazy. Look at all these EMAs.
No.
Sloping up. Give me 70, baby. On 70. Yeah, I completely moved my TP from 60 on up. I took profit at the previous high
Mm-hmm.
and then pushed the second one to 70. And she shortchanges me by 2 points, of course.
Mm.
Santa's real.
Santa is real, guys. He's in town. He's in town.
Better give me 80 now.
The Grinch is real. All the bears love the Grinch. The Grinch is real. Grinch, we need you.
Happiness. Feel their happiness.
We need you, Grinch. We need you. The Grinch that's short at Christmas. I guess they got the Grinch and Crash Kari locked up in that dungeon. Yeah, we don't need you in this rally saying dumb things to crash the market. Saying things like, oh, the economy is bad. Inflation is still high. We shouldn't be cutting rates.
Used to straight dump the market. We may not get any rate cuts at all. Yo, he effed up my portfolio. If I see him in the street, he getting smacked.
He's in a dungeon, so I mean, they got him locked away. So you ain't the only one. They got him locked away right now.
I'm smacking him. Boom. Yeah. You better stay locked away too. Don't let me catch you in the streets. What you did to my portfolio. I had them calls. I don't even remember what I was trying to get to with those. But puts would have paid. Oh my gosh. All right, guys. I call it quits on this.
Can it be true? Are the Bulls giving up on this? Could it be true?
All right, I'm gonna close. Oh,
could it be true?
Let's do it.
This is gonna be my Christmas gift to myself, baby. Find the top of it. Yeah, yeah. Merry Christmas to your boy Sharp. Grinch.
I cut that. I cut my long.
The Grinch came out when we needed him. Grinch, we need
Let's
you.
Do it.
We need you, Grinch. We need you.
That's crazy that it worked. I'm glad it did work though. That's wow.
Yeah, right baby.
Right at it.
Yeah.
That's wild. Right at it.
Mm-hmm.
And I did hop in short on that momentum.
Did you?
Yep.
Hey, don't fuck with that 23%. There we go, baby. Hit that target, baby.
TP1 hit.
TP1 hit, baby. Let's hit all these targets. Let's hit them all. Let's hit them all.
I scaled out.
Yeah. Y'all bulls think y'all can get the 22K? No. I've been working undercover for the Grinch. I'm shorting Christmas. I'm canceling Christmas. I'm shorting it.
It worked though. Right at the 23. Look at that. Look at the wicks on that.
I know, right?
You can't beat that.
Nope. Don't fuck with the 23%. And the 23% we trust, baby. And the 23% that we trust.
I might cut my short hair. I cut the short. That was too close for comfort. Getting right back to break even.
This Hater of the Year. Player Hater of the Year award. Player hater. Mm. Yeah. And the 23% we trust, baby. All right. That was fun while it lasted. I know the Bears couldn't hold it or nothing.
Yeah, you definitely gotta take that when you get the chance if you're short in a market like this.
Mm,
I got out of the short. I left you. I got out at 9:48.
mm-hmm,
I took it was half at the bottom, half at 9:48 when it started pulling back.
mm.
Like my break even was 9:53, so I'm like, yeah, okay. And then I just took the long at 9:52. Let's go. Right back
The
up.
market just took away all that excitement, dude. It's like, yeah, 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 yeah,
Yeah, I could
yeah.
tell. Like, yeah. Oh,
Oh.
I know the feeling. That's why you can't hold shorts. You cannot.
That's not fair.
Not like this.
No, that's not fair. Dude, I'm
It did
starting a
work. Hey,
position.
it did work though.
Yeah. I'm gonna start a petition. A petition. We don't like when this market is like this. God damn it! Us bears deserve to short the market too, to get some money too. We don't want to buy. We're bears. God damn it! We want to short. We got cubs to feed too.
Lower. Buy back lower. Like, look at these hourly candles though. Yeah.
We don't want to go long. We want to short.
Target 970.
I mean, yeah.
Let's say double top it.
Hmm.
Top the
I mean, like I said, man. If they run through this, if they run through this area, I would be surprised. If they run through this area, then I expect a drop.
I got R5 at 2257.
Yeah, 2248 is like the prior week close of December 15th around that time. Yeah. Like I don't know, like that'll be very interesting. I mean, we got this big drop and it seems like the market is literally disregarding this entire big drop. Like there's I mean, I find it hard to believe that there is not, unfilled orders as it's going up. Like this thing is going up. Like it's like, yeah, we don't care. We're just gonna keep going higher. And as a bear, that's disappointing because shit, we love it when the market goes up, but we want it to go down. A peaceful market would be it shorts have resistance, you buy at support, and everybody can make their money. But no, y'all bulls are being greedy and taking our turn.
Yeah. When you zoom out and look at it, the market's usually going up. We rarely get times where it's just trending down.
Mm-hmm.
No bear markets. Like,
Ooh, if the Bulls fail here, which I'm pretty sure they won't, but if they do, oh yeah, these targets getting hit for sure. This price is going to probably come back to that golden zone, and then we'll see a nasty bullish reversal probably.
okay, so if you took it right at the 23%, how much?
So from the 23% all the way down to that bottom wick, it was like 937. So it's about like 30 points. It's a 30-point drop. I got two of my targets hit, so I know I got like at least 27 points. I'm in at, I got in at 61. So yeah, got like 27 points. It's like a 27-point drop. Yep, J Money, that's exactly right. Yeah. He says 961.21. Bull trade bullish. He said, I remember that order block I mentioned at 961. I might have been looking at, hold on. Shit. Seriously. Oh, you said it's 190. Okay. It's an order block, huh?
Look down and my target got hit at 70. All right. Next man up, 980. You're on call, 980.
Baby, please. Please, don't do it. Don't do
Actually,
it.
no. I want 990.
Oh, okay. That's all I gotta do is
Whoa,
ask.
whoa, don't
That's all I gotta do is
do me
ask.
like that.
You said what?
Nope, nope. You should have took the Bitcoin long.
Mm,
He's like, I will never long Bitcoin.
I would never long Bitcoin, dude. This shit is like once, like, dude, you know how many times the Bulls had to get clapped before them to get this leg up? Nah, that's not even worth it. It's never worth it to long Bitcoin. I don't care what nobody say.
That's crazy.
It's never worth it to long Bitcoin. You'll make money. You'll make more money shorting it. I mean, look how many times this thing got shorted before the Bulls actually. It was just the Bears got tired of shorting. They got tired of clapping. So it was like, all right, Bulls, we'll let you have it. But look how much money you'll make just shorting Bitcoin versus going long. I mean, yeah, dude, this is a bear's market. Bitcoin is a bear's market.
Get what you're saying. But it is sitting at, 90K or whatever it's at.
You said that's the realest thing you heard about Bitcoin, dude. Bitcoin's a bear market, dude. I ain't never long in Bitcoin. Like them crypto memes have taught me well to never buy crypto, just sell it. That's it.
You heard the story of that dude that was dollar cost averaging for
What?
7 years,
No, what happened?
30
Well, I
bucks
mean,
a day.
he better be a bajillionaire right now.
Well, it hit over 1 million.
Oh, did it?
And
Okay.
he only spent like, yeah, he only ended up spending like 80, almost 90K, like 86K
Okay. Yeah.
for 7 years.
Also,
7 years.
he had
His
the money
portfolio.
to do that. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, because 30 bucks a day is kind of OD. You add all that up
Mm-hmm.
over 7 years.
Mm-hmm.
Dang, you held the open on ES? Shoot.
I
Let me
wish I
see.
did,
Where's
man.
that
I was just up on my short. I couldn't close it. My bear instinct just took the better of me. I couldn't close it. I knew better. I just couldn't close it. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. Because it could have worked and I would have been pissed. Even though I knew that it was highly unlikely for it to work.
yeah.
So, I mean, I'm glad I learned. Like I said, I'm kind of. I mean, obviously, I wouldn't make that a mistake in a funded account, but I could have sworn that they canceled your limits after the session closed. I could have sworn that these prop firms did that, but I guess not MFF.
What you talking about from yesterday or
So
from?
I think I had a limit in this account for, like on Sunday night because I was like, well, they're going to probably double top it at 50. They're going to probably double top it. So it was either Sunday or Monday night. I had a limit and I had it sitting there because, oh, yeah, because it was like Sunday night. because I woke up on Monday and it shorted at 30, but I kept my limit at 50 because I was like, well, shit. I mean, I guess it could see a pullback at 30, but I mean, I'm pretty sure everybody wants to short 50, so I set my limit at 50. But I guess I guess MFF didn't cancel it, so I mean it stayed there and it got filled, unfortunately for me. And then that's why I was pissed because I was like, damn, because I was telling myself to short it at 33, but I was like, man, they might run this thing up to 50 that day too. I like, dude, like sometimes I don't get mad, or it doesn't bother me as probably a better way of saying it. It doesn't bother me if I miss a move on the Nasdaq, because I mean, shit, you're gonna miss a move on the Nasdaq. That's just kind of what she does. But if I miss a move on the ES, I feel like, dude, how the hell did I miss that? Like, how did I miss that? That's how I feel when I miss a move on the ES. Feel like I shouldn't have missed the move on the ES. Because, I mean, it don't really do anything outside of its norm. I mean, when it starts to trend, that's when it's kind of hard to, you got to literally wait for the confirmation on the ES for a reversal of a trend.
What is that? R4 on my chart. Could be it, but we need way more downside confirmation.
Go. City, yeah.
Still in that short, or did you get out?
No, I'm still in that short.
Right.
Well, investors see, I hope so, because yeah, I hope so, because I'm in short. So I hope this is the drop. We need the Grinch to come and steal Christmas. But I'm pretty sure if we get a decent pullback, we should see 22K. I know that's what everybody's looking for right now, but all right, let me actually, so I got this notepad that has my rules in it. I'm going to add for no, there will never be a reason to short a American holiday because they don't short. Sure, don't do it. It's going to 22K. No, I'm shorting.
Set my limits up there at 22K.
Is it to go to get your target filled or to go short?
Take it short.
Man, if it gets to 22K, you know how that shit go, bro. That shit goes to 22K and then it's either 20 or it's like 20, 40 or well, it's like 20, 45 or exactly 50. You know how that shit go. It's never it's never that 100 because it always misses the 100 level the first time, and then we see that short at 95, and then when it finally breaks through the 100 level, then it goes up to like the 20, 45 or exactly 50. I mean, that's a pattern that we continuously see the market do and don't deviate from. 874. $22.40. Oh no, guys, I'm not shorting this in the eval. I'm in the sim. We took this short because of the 23%. That's it. That's the only reason why we took the short. That's the only reason why we took it.
And for a moment there, we got joy.
Yeah. Yeah. Us Bears, we got to live a little for 2 seconds. And then the Bulls came back and they took it away from us. You took away our happiness. You took it away.
Footprint chart.
Yeah, that 23% is holding up, baby. It's holding up. Yeah, y'all Bulls can't get above that 23%. Y'all can't get above it. We good. Y'all ain't getting 22K today. Y'all ain't getting it, god damn it. Y'all ain't getting it. It's bear season, damn it. Yeah. Grinch, we need you. We need you. And the crazy thing is the Grinch is green and Santa is red. That's the crazy thing. So the Bears should be wanting Santa to come, but the Bulls want Santa and the Bears want the Grinch. Isn't that some crazy thing? That's funny. Santa, we need you. We need 22K before Christmas.
Yeah, bears in hibernation. No, scared to short this.
Yeah, y'all probably gonna get 22K. Y'all probably gonna get it. But shit, a bear can dream. We can dream. We can try to short a bullish market. And be right. Oh man. Yeah, I know the bears in the chat right now are like, yo, it's like, why can't we ever be happy? Like, why? Why? Why is it that I keep selling it and it just keeps going higher? Why? Hey, I'm a bear, man. Hey, it's instinct at this point. It's instinct at this point. I gotta short it. I gotta try. I gotta try. I gotta try. Boy, that was funny. That was a good laugh. Bulls. Shit, the one time that I should have been a bear after Powell, I think everybody should. I was watching Alfred shared it seems like everybody was longing Powell, and that was the opportunity that we should have been bears right there. I mean, us bears ain't gonna never get a drop like that again. Like, dude, that was look at this drop.
Yeah, that was crazy.
Yeah, like where the hell did that come from? I mean, in hindsight, yeah. I mean, after we broke that range, I mean, we should have been short anyway after we broke the bottom of that range. Just getting this all the way down here was just a gift. But shorting it to at least a double bottom at 50, 22.50. Actually, you know what? Yeah, okay, R for real. Yeah, okay. Now that I'm thinking about it. Yeah, we might actually get the 22.50, 22.40. Because this is where the market should have found support, but then they broke through it. They broke through it. So yeah, we could come back and see 22.50 as resistance. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna start. I think I'm gonna start doing that because I've been thinking about how I can how can I can optimize trading the ES. I think I'm just gonna probably start copy trading the ES. Probably start taking the same position in probably 2 accounts. I'll probably start doing that instead of trying to go for like 13 to 15 points, 20 points on the ES. I can probably just go for like 9 or 10 and just copy trade it on 2 accounts. I would never copy trade the Nasdaq though. 1 account is enough for the Nasdaq, in my opinion. Or at least for me, that's enough. 23%, we needed you. Mm.
Yeah, copy trading the NQ is a death sentence.
I mean, yeah. I mean, the main reason why I won't copy trade the NQ is because I go from trading to gambling real quick. I mean, I'm not gonna sit here and try to mislead you guys or myself. I go to trading to gambling real quick because I mean, she trades outside of structure so often that you can be wrong, and if you get out, you can be right. So, I mean, for me, yeah, that's gambling. I'll go. I'll turn to gambling real quick.
Well, I just got a call from your girl CL. She says she misses you.
Nah, that bitch is going. She's staying blocked. I tried putting her chart up yesterday, and I was like, nah, I can't do this shit. I ain't doing this again. Nah, nah. You don't give me instant gratification like the NQ. She can only get away with that bullshit, not CL. Shit. CL is forever blocked. Forever blocked. I ain't ever putting her back on my chart. It's like, dude, it's like I keep doing this. Like, well, let me, she sends me that big. Oh, I still got the chart on. She sends me the hey big head text, and I look at her and I was like, I don't gotta deal with that shit, and I delete the chart. I don't gotta deal with this. I don't got to. I don't gotta deal with this shit.
A good long from 68.
Well, I mean, shit, this thing chopped its way up, man. I don't gotta deal with that. I don't gotta deal with that.
What's that? How many ticks is that on the candles?
66 or 666.
60. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Dude, this thing chopped its way up. I don't ever gotta deal with this shit. I don't gotta deal with this. And then I just delete the chart. I was like, I don't gotta deal with this.
Delete the chart. Okay.
It was like I do. It was like, man, maybe I should. I mean, she was holding me down when NQ left me and she broke my heart, and she said I couldn't trade her anymore. CL was there for me to pick me up and to teach me technical analysis because that's the only way to be successful on CL. Shit, get in the middle and trade it if you want. Trying to bring your NQ tendencies to CL and try to be successful if you want.
Yeah.
No, that shit does not work. CL was there, but she broke my heart. She shouldn't have did what she did.
Well, she did the same thing to me, but I think enough time has passed. I might start looking at her again.
Why? Why? What about CL is making her appealing to you right now? I'm looking at her like, nah, I can't go through this again. I can't go through this.
Because she's very technical.
Yeah, she is. She is.
Like all that chop is just noise.
It's shit. It gets like a tick from your TP, and then it runs back up. Like, man, you ain't gonna do all that. You just hit my TP.
Yeah.
It
will make you wait for your TP.
Shit. ES was conservative. Shit.
Yeah.
CL will make you wait the entire day. She'll start at 2 o'clock in the morning and you won't get your target hit until about session close at settlement. Like, what the fuck? Like, look, she literally started this move at like 3 o'clock in the morning. And if you had your target trying to hit the lower day, you didn't get that shit until 11 o'clock. Man, you ain't got to deal with that shit. You get instant gratifications at on the Nasdaq. You ain't got to deal with that. And then you would have made more money on the Nasdaq. You ain't got to deal with that. No, I ain't going back. We ain't going back. We ain't going back. We ain't going back.
That's a problem. NQ spoiled you with instant gratification.
We ain't going back. Oh man, that's funny. Nah.
You gotta take those tendencies over to other charts. Get you clapped.
Yeah, that's why I was like, I'm only trading NQ in the sun because, dude, ES should be easy, man. But, dude, I'll look at the ES sometimes was like, damn, she can overshoot. And we know she don't. The only time you should ever expect the ES to overshoot is when she's trending. If she's not trending, she's going to trade in a range for the most part. But for whatever reason, because I like to project NQ onto other instruments, I'm thinking, nah, the ES is going to overshoot here. I'm going to wait, and I missed the whole freaking trade, dude. Well, they're not finding support above the 23%. That's not a good sign for bulls. That's not a good sign.
I've been rocking this short too, so
No, you're in a short now?
Together. Ever since price ran away from my break even. CL. Welcome back.
But yeah, I mean, the one thing that you never have to worry about CL is that, I mean, outside of geopolitical situations, I mean, she's not manipulated, obviously. Obviously, you don't have to worry about manipulation. You just got to worry about, well, okay, well, I'm in this position at 3 o'clock. How long is it going to hit my TP? I mean, it's all right. So honestly, just like one contract on the ES with 27 cents of risk, dude, you'll be undefeatable with CL. 27, I mean, because if it goes past 27 cents past the areas of support and resistance, you're wrong. You can see that and this is where I got the 21 and the 50 from because of CL, because CL loves this 21 EMA. And she kind of does the same thing like the ES does. She'll trend off the 21, but then if the opposite side breaks and it touches that 50%, it usually the 50% will be the confirmation that nah, we're still in a downtrend. And once you see that break above the 21, you can see that it does the same thing. So this is where I got the 21.50. Because like I said, CL, you got to be really technical to trade her, to be successful with her. Got your two-legged pullback into support, and now everything is trending out. You got the break of structure right here. And even though, so this was like what, 694. That's about like a 50, like 50 cents. About 50 cents right here. 50, 40, whatever. And that would have been $400 or $500 right here. All right, Smith. All right. All right.
CL, huh?
All right. No, we're not going back. Yeah, so the ES is trying to be more like Nasdaq these days. So it's like, look at that perfect symmetry.
Told you to come over to silver a long time ago.
that structure. You know, I saw somebody talking about silver in the chat. Yeah, Brandy. It was like a couple of nights ago said that she trades silver too, and I was like, "Man, you need to talk to Smith. Y'all could talk about silver."
it pays well.
Oh, what's the ticker to that?
Micro silver pays. The minis is SI, and then the micros is SIL.
SIL. Okay, let's look at that.
SIL for the micros.
Okay, let's look at that.
SI for the minis.
Cause shit, if we start trading metals in this room, shit. I mean, we already trade gold, but she got replaced by Bitcoin.
Yeah, she can stay replaced. Gold did me.
Oh yeah.
I know she got down like that.
Bro, I told you not to do that with gold. Gold don't play. Gold is not an instrument that you play on. You gotta keep that wrist tight because she can move.
I found out.
Yeah.
I effed around and found out.
He said the ES is the OG, NQ became ES. Really? Are you suggesting that at one point in time the ES used to trade how the Nasdaq trades now?
That would be crazy.
Yeah. It looks like the bulls are having a hard time finding support above that 23%. My bear senses are tingling. They're tingling. Up. They tingling. They tingling.
What time the market closed today?
Like at 12 o'clock. Yeah, 12.
Yeah.
About what, 30 something points away from 22K. The market is still trending. I mean, honestly, and in a real situation, in an eval, I mean, you shouldn't short this, obviously, or in a funded account, obviously. But I'm in the sim, so I'm just playing around, guys. Obvious. I mean, that should be obvious at this point. But yeah, obviously the market is trending. All the EMAs are sloped to the upside, obviously. But my bear senses are tingling. You know, I think Crash Car escaped from. He broke free from his chains. He's running to the nearest podium, to the nearest media center, to the nearest internet connection, so he can get on social media and say how the market is overextended and how Jerome Powell is a duty head. He's a duty.
Like that on X.
Yeah, post it on X.
That would be so funny.
Post it on X. Powell's a duty, yeah. That would be hilarious. The market drops. That would be hilarious. A bear can dream, though. A bear can dream. All right, so why is it not allowing me to a bear can dream. So they fell underneath this 23%. I'm shorting it. Because, I mean, we've seen this play happen so often. If they don't find support above that 23%, it's going down. It's going down to this golden zone. If they don't find support. All right. Well, I'm going to put my stop above that high right there.
Wait. Hey, shorts playing out, baby.
Mm-hmm.
No 22K for you.
No. Crash Car got to his phone.
Shut up.
He's typing.
Shut up.
It's the 3 dots. He's typing. He's about to say something.
It's the 3 dots. Oh my gosh, look at this.
Oh man.
IQ is so crazy. Platinum chart, because I got platinum on the charts.
Mm. Yeah, so I did not know that. That's interesting. Tilt says, yeah, the ES was the most volatile liquid market since the inception of futures. ES was NQ was an afterthought. Oh, imagine a world. When did that even change? When did that change? When the heck did that change? Man, because shit. So you're trying to say that the ES was just like the NQ in her young days, and then she grown up and she was like, nah, I'm being conservative now. Is that what you're saying? That is interesting. Because now I mean, shit, for the most part, she'll range in a 10-point range. And the only time you'll get a 30, 40, 20-point move is a breakout at this point. But most of the time, I mean, if you can catch her ranging on the ES, I mean, that's where you make all your monies in a range. And then just wait for that breakout. And this is where you'll make your money swinging into ES. For the most part, she does this range. She'll trade in a range and she'll break out. Trade in a range, break out, trade in a range, and then break out. That's all she does now. But I mean, that's all she's ever done, really. Just trade in a big range. Actually, I want to see what happened here because I think I was actually looking at this one day. Mm-hmm. 23%. You have failed yet again. I don't think I have to work today. I think we got today off. I don't think I got to work today at all. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Don't ever short a holiday. Don't ever short a holiday at all. At all. I think this entire year, every holiday has been green. I don't think we've had one red holiday. We haven't had a holiday that wasn't green, and we didn't have a holiday that did not trend uncontrollably to the point to where no shorts, there were literally no pullbacks. And today has been no exception. So I wonder if this is going to be the same thing as if we'll see the same type of price action on New Year's. Mm. All right, so Tilda says the future market is primarily used to hedge option positions by the big boys. So the big money going into Nvidia and other AI companies is being hedged in Q. Yeah. Interesting, interesting. And yeah, and that's what Muhammad talks about all the time. About watching the option market when you trade futures and vice versa. Because I remember when I was trading options, all the gurus were talking about watching the futures market and using the futures market as confirmation. So it's kind of like it's like I guess both sides of the market use each other in tandem. That's actually what maybe I didn't even know futures existed until uh, they was talking about it, and then I was like, huh, futures fits my style perfectly versus options because I don't have to have the time right. I just have to have the location right, but I don't have to time it at all. And then I can trade it overnight. And that was always the one thing I hated with options, being right overnight and then waking up to a red position that you can't even close.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Investor C? Really? Well, I'm glad you found us. Are you talking about this is why you trade futures, if that's what you meant? But yeah, I was like, dude. Yeah, I still think about that guy at the beginning of the year when Spy or when ES made it all the way back down there to like he got all the way down to like the 4,000s or something on ES. Let's actually look at that. Let's look at that. Let's look at that. Because I still think about that guy. He did not go to sleep that night because he was in Wall Street bets, just talking to everybody. I was like, dude, we're rooting for you. We're hoping that you get it. And talk about being up $80,000 and stuff like that, not going to sleep, hoping to be able to close out the position and profit. But then we know what happened overnight. All of a sudden, it was like, okay, we're not gonna throw bombs at each other no more, and then the market just super rallies. Like, what the fuck was that? If I was short, I would have been pissed. Let's look at that. Yeah, I'll just buy this stupid damn thing. I'll just buy it. Yeah, because this is where we got in. Because I remember catching the bottom of this damn thing. Yeah, I remember catching the bottom that day. I think I was in at, where was the bottom? Bottom was like, it was like 60 or something like that. I was able to get in this thing at like 65 or 70 or something like that. Where's the bottom of that? Because I caught the bottom and rolled this thing all the way back up to the top that day. Yeah, the low was like at 55. So I think I got in at like 60, 65 on this. And I was able to catch this on 3 mini ES contracts. Beautiful play. Yeah, so when ES did this that one day, because I mean, I think everybody was trying to long it because we had the super long and everybody was trying to long. And then we had the super dump, and that guy had SPY puts, and he was up 80K. Obviously, when he woke up, he was not up 80K anymore, unfortunately. Yeah.
$22K. No.
Grinch. Grinch, where are you? I believe in
Crash
you,
Kari,
Grinch.
step out of your hole.
We believe. Why only the Bulls get a Christmas gift? Why only the Bulls get Christmas? Why only the Bulls get Christmas? We deserve Christmas too. We deserve Christmas too. Yeah, that'd be so funny. This thing hits my stop and drops. But I mean, at this point, shit, if y'all don't get the 22K, it's just like, dude, y'all almost there. Y'all almost there. Nah, Crash Car is in a dungeon. He can't help himself. It was like, dude, you're not ruining Christmas for everybody. Yeah, Crash Car is on a vacation in his dungeon they got him trapped in. When was the last time? Oh, when was the last time we saw Crash Car speak? You know, that's interesting. We ain't seen him in a while. Where he at? we ain't seen Crash Car yet. Hold on, Crash Car speaking. We ain't seen him in a while. They got him locked in a dungeon for real. Damn, the last time, the last time this man spoke was November 13th. Yo, they nah, hell nah, man. They got that man in the dungeon for real. They got him in the dungeon for real. The last time this man got to speak was on November 13th. It was like, nah, you ain't about to ruin Christmas for everybody. They got him in a dungeon for real. That's so funny. Shit, that's the NQ. The NQ will also do that shit to you. The NQ was like, oh, it's like, you was originally short. Well, you should have stayed short because you was right. I was just faking out the weak bears to get the bulls in. But yeah. Like, nah, don't fire Crash Kari. Don't fire him. But yeah, options will make you do that. That's why, I mean, I kind of do want to get back into selling options, but I mean, I've already tasted the instant gratification of buying 0 DTE, so I don't know if I can ever go back. Selling options? Having to wait patiently for my money? But I mean, I will say that, like I said, I grew my $500 account up to 6,000. And then once I taste the sweet glory of SPY 0 DTEs, I never went back. And the crazy thing is that I remember it so vividly. It's like, it's probably a sign that I should go back to doing that. But at this point, I'm in too deep. Can't go back. Can't go back. Well, don't short a bullish holiday. Don't short an American holiday. So actually, you know what? You know what I just noticed? They actually did just, I don't know why I just noticed this, but they did just find support above this 23%. I don't know why I just noticed it.
Well, 22K is on the board unless they front
I mean,
run.
at this point, it should be. I mean, there's no reason why the market shouldn't touch 22K. It is literally right there.
Well, that's what everybody's thinking and expecting.
Mm-hmm.
They've done before in the past.
You see a mega super drop. I mean, and this market literally trended up to the upside the entire session. From last night all the way up until now. So shit, if you got into a long position after that drop, I didn't notice that it touched the 200 EMA last night. I didn't notice that. But I wasn't even at my desk at this time anyway. So I wasn't at my desk. And I try to keep, I try not to keep notifications or anything off my phone. because I don't want, I feel like if I were to do that, then I would forever be in the charts. So I try to create as much separation as possible from it until I get in front of it. But then it seems like all the good moves be happening whenever I don't be paying attention. I mean, cause shit, at least if you got in long at the open, right here at the 50 EMA, this thing just basically trended up the entire session. Basically trended. So I mean, if you got in long at the 50, then shit. I mean, all the way up to the golden zone, that was an 80-point play. I mean, if you had like a runner or something, I mean, yeah. And you still holding that motivation healing? I mean, you trading micros or you trading minis? If you're trading minis, you got a couple on right now. Yo, congratulations, dude. Congratulations, because the market did not stop. It did not stop at all. It did not stop. Yeah. I mean, the low of the day was 630. Crazy. The low of the day was 630 and the high of the day. So we had like what, a 55 point move today. Damn, 55 points. Damn. Well, it's not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair. Us bears deserve a Christmas too. We deserve 0. We deserve it. Bears have been getting clapped for literally a year. For a year. I mean, shit, that's so crazy to think about. The Bears literally have been getting clapped for the entire year. The entire year.
Longer than that. Like 2 or 3 years.
Damn.
Really, since like the 2020 drop, the COVID drop.
Yo, congratulations on that, Alfred. Alfred said he just secured a 3K payout for Christmas. Congratulations on that.
Nice, nice.
Nice. Congrats.
Congrats. I'm happy for you.
I don't care that it happened to him. I want good things to only happen to me. But I stopped going into that room because unfortunately our stupid subconscious mind don't know the difference between reality and freaking fiction. So unfortunately, if you keep showing it losses and losses and losses and losses and losses, then it's going to think losses are okay. So I stopped going in there, unfortunately. Even though it is funny as hell, though. It's definitely funny.
Yeah, I would only check it every once in a while just to get a laugh. Sometimes, you know, if you had a red day.
Yeah.
Go in there and laugh at someone else's.
Like, he's worse than me. He just lost his whole life savings. I mean, being foolish. Like, I'm sitting there crying because I blew my prop firm account, and this guy actually lost his real money. That makes me feel better. That makes me feel better.
Oh, wow. That's crazy.
Nah, I'm playing, but we secretly all mean it, though.
This dude, bro, dear Santa, he got 590 puts and 570 puts. They expire on the 31st.
Oh my God. Oh man,
So
that
he
is
got
just
a week.
hilarious. That is hilarious, dude. That's hilarious. The classic 94 drop. Classic, classic, classic. It's always the 94,
Yeah.
95 drop. Always the first time.
Yeah.
Always.
Yeah. Let's see how far they take it though. See
Man,
how
finish him.
finish him. That would be so funny. They front run like that.
So he got 590, 570 puts, huh? Let's see how. I mean, we
He got
we
a
all
week.
know how this game is played. We know the holiday pump, and then once everybody gets in front of their desk, is going to be the dump. Because I mean, shoot, look at this and this unnecessary. Well, I won't call it unnecessary, but look at this run up, dude. Everybody's going to come back to their desk, and then they're going to short this shit. So he said, oh no, you said 590 puts. I mean, yeah, I mean,
590 and 570. 590, he may be okay.
yeah, he may be okay with 570,
570. 570 is crazy.
Yeah, that is kind of crazy, dude. Let's look at that. Let's look at the daily chart. This ain't financial advice or nothing, no. But we'll look at the daily chart. Dude, I don't know about that, bro. Oh shit! Oh shit! Yeah, the shorts. Yeah, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm sitting here all quiet. About to get clapped on Argent called, but no, I'm hell, baby.
Yeah.
I'm still
Go. That's what we talking about.
Yeah. No, keep going. Don't stop. Don't stop there.
Keep dropping, baby. Hey, what's up, Brandon? We was actually just talking about you.
Yeah, I'm trying to get into, I think 2025, I'm going to start looking more heavy into silver.
Mm.
That thing pays. Even on
mm. We got all excited. Yo, that's how you know we're real bears. Yeah.
That was short lived. I'm like, oh. I was in profit.
Oh,
Man.
Oh, that's not fair. Oh, it's not. No, it's not fair.
Right back up.
It's not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair.
Dang, that was quick too.
Man, that's not even fair.
Dang.
That's not fair. That's not fair. It's not fair. No, it's not fair. It's not. That's not even fair, dude. That's not fair. Yo. Oh man, that's not fair. Ah. That's not fair.
That's not fair.
Okay. All right. Silver, huh? Everybody's focusing on NQ. I mean, shit. The instant gratification is one hell of a drug. It's one hell of a drug. Yeah. So, Brandy, what are your rules on silver? What are your rules? Or what are the rules? It seems like it's kind of similar to gold, honestly. Somewhat. Actually, let me just put it like I just want to see how much. I want to see how much that is. Damn, yo, dude, 30, dude, I'm already down like $300, dude. What the fuck? Make sure I'm still in the sim.
Yo, that's the That's the mini con. You got to go to the micros. SIL.
SIL.
You put 15 on. You put 15 on the minis. Yeah, you will be down that much. Real
Damn.
quick.
Oh, I'm on the okay. I'm on the wrong
Big time.
contract. I think I'm on the wrong contract with silver. I think I'm on the wrong. I was like, dude, is this thing really trading like this? Futures.
Oh, you should be the H contract if you.
It's the H. That's March,
I don't-
right? H is March.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm on the right contract then. Man, that's not even fair, dude. Man, that's not fair. That's not fair. That is not fair.
But I gotta go. I gotta run though.
All right, bro.
I'm still gonna leave my position open. I don't care.
Yeah, it's a sim trade. Yeah. Or is it?
Yeah, it's a sim trade. It's not fair though, because
Yeah,
yeah,
that's
I
not
was
even fair,
up
dude.
to.
That's not fair. All right, bro.
All right, later.
Mm, okay. I'm gonna look into well. I guess I'll let Smith look into silver.
Sober.
Because the ES is kind of the same thing too. She'll come back. So it seems like okay. And how much size do you usually trade on silver? Damn, dude. Already down like $700, dude. That's well, I mean, I'm in 15 lots though, but still. Damn, look at that red. Look at all that.
Hey yo, look at that drop on NQ.
No way. No, that's dude, no. No, no. No. It's not fair. Yeah, that's how you know we're bears for real. I gotta go. Yo, did you see that drop? You see that drop?
Hey, it happened so quick. I'm back at my break even. It happened so quick. I'm like, yo. But I.
All right, bro. One or two contracts. Yeah.
Nah, hit that target, baby. Hit that target.
Yo, if this thing drop, if this thing pop.
Oh
Oh
my
my
god.
When the bears are in sync. Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's nasty.
Dude, no way. No way, dude. No way. No way she ain't gonna do that shit again. Oh man. All right, so we'll see. We'll see what happens here. If we'll see. We'll see. And yeah, for those that's just joining, we're just having some fun shorting the bullish market. That's it. We're just having some fun. Hmm. But yeah, silver is definitely. Oh, well, that's interesting. Hmm. She does respect levels. I will say that because just looking at it, I mean, you can definitely catch a double bottom on her. A double top. When she runs the highs, she's just going for another high. She respects it. You don't have to worry about foolishness. She'll come back. So if I want to short, I mean, if I got in short at this double top right here, I mean, I probably would have got stopped out. But it came back though. And this is already a small tick size too, so it's interesting that this is interesting. This is already a small tick size. It's already small. Well, I will say that it respects. Okay, so it does respect. All right, so it does. I mean, I think every market respects liquidity ranges. Obviously, I mean, how else would the market move if there's? How else would it move? All right. And the bears got trapped there. They tried to short that. It trends off the EMAs too. So I mean, I think yeah, it trends off the EMAs for sure. Yep. You got the cross. Yeah. Yeah, I might actually look into it myself. I'm actually look into it. And if Smith is serious about it, then yeah, we can definitely start taking some more, or we can start actually taking some silver trades. Because we're really good at trading gold. Shit. We're damn near godlike trading Bitcoin. I don't think we've taken a Bitcoin loss yet. I think I haven't well, yeah, I haven't taken a Bitcoin loss yet. I mean, it's so easy to trade. You just gotta do short the double tops. We haven't lost on Bitcoin just yet. Yeah, this actually might get ran. We might get a run all the way up here to we might get a run to here though. And we'll see what happens when price gets there. Yeah, Alfred, that's my that's actually my problem with Bitcoin. Yeah, that's my problem with Bitcoin. It's the same problem I have with NQ. I don't know where, because I mean, shit, it can keep going. Where do you take profits if it can keep going? If it just keeps on going, where do you take the profits? Shit, at this point, I might as well just stay until 12. Market closes at like 12, right? Yeah, I think the market closes at 12. So shit, we might as well just stay. And the market is absolutely or is closed tomorrow. And I think we come back tomorrow at 5 Central Time. So yeah, it looks like the Bulls are determined. They ain't trying to get this shit up at all. They are not giving this thing up at all. They are not giving it up. But we are starting to see the EMA starting to slow down. So if I was in a real account, this is when I'll be starting to look for, okay, it looks like the bulls are starting to exhaust themselves. The EMAs are sloping down. Now, when I start to see this is when I'm actually start seriously looking for an opportunity to go short. And we're still dancing around that 23%. So, this is where I would start seriously looking for shorts now. Because usually once we see that, I mean, we definitely could see a bullish reaction exactly where 900 is. Yeah. Yeah, we can definitely see a bullish reaction in this area if we do see a drop down. That's if we see it. But obviously, it looks like the bulls are exhausting themselves. You say you scaling it out? I'll try to implement that. But that's really a big block for me too. I don't like getting any out of things. I just don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like getting in and out of things. I just want things to be one and done and work instead of getting in and out, getting in and out, in and out. I mean, I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with it. I just don't like it. All right, so let's see if it's we'll see. We'll see if we can get a confirmation here. We'll see. Because we do got that. It looks like we got that high at 94. I wouldn't be surprised if we see like a double top here. I really wouldn't be surprised. Because we are definitely no longer trending. Diamond stance. Yeah, wouldn't that be some mean, what does that say? What does that say? It says, oh shit. Okay, actually, never mind. Never mind. I can't stay. I forgot. I forgot. I'll stream until 11:20. I forgot I got something to do at 11:30. I forgot. I apologize. I can't stay on until close. Oh. Hmm. That's interesting. Is today like National Ride Your Bike Day? Seemed like 5 separate groups of people riding their bike up this hill. Hmm. I really don't know. Hmm. Hmm. Well, I mean, hmm. I seem to always I don't want to do the opposite. Apparently. Keep doing something. Yeah, I guess the market don't ever have to do that. don't have to do it. It would just be nice if it did. Yeah, these last couple of months, you definitely had to trust your charts, because first the market would just be so irrationally bullish, and then out of nowhere you'll get like a string of bearishness, and then out of nowhere the bulls will just regain control like they never lost it. It's almost as if you have to pick a side and stay on it. And just be mindful of all the events, because with this market trending up like this, we should definitely expect a rotation back down. Or maybe it can keep going up. I mean, who the heck knows? I mean, that's just the crazy thing. Because I mean, we're literally trading in what could be considered resistance. We could see 2240, like Arfaro says, 2250. We can definitely see that. But we're not talking about like a reversal, like a full-fledged reversal. It's like we see these runs up, and then the pullbacks are almost reversals themselves, but they're technically just pullbacks back into areas of support, so the bulls can buy it right back up. Everything is just a pullback. Bears really never had a real reversal. I mean, it took Powell to say that we may not get rate cuts next year for this to happen. I find it very interesting. I will end it on this note. I find it very interesting how the Fed changed based on who people perceived the next president was going to be. When it was Harris, it was, yeah, we're cutting rates, everything is fine, even though the economy was on fire. But now that Trump is coming into office, now it's like, you know what? Yeah, the economy is not where we need it to be. So we may not actually be cutting rates next year. It just seems like the whole narrative from Powell switched after we found out who the next president was going to be. So I find that very interesting. I really do. I mean, he claims that none of his decisions are politically driven, but yeah, I mean, not too long ago in September, you said that this was the path, and last Thursday or Wednesday, you said, you know what? Never mind, we changed our mind. That's actually not the direction that we're going anymore because of this and that. So, and that's the reason why we got that drop. So, I found that interesting. We'll see what happens next year. We'll see if Powell actually does continue to cut rates in 2025. Hopefully he does, or hopefully he doesn't, but we understand the game that we're playing. But all right, guys, that's it. I got to do something at 11:30. If we learn anything today, don't short a bullish or an American holiday. It's always going to be bullish, obviously. And happy holidays to everybody. Hopefully you get what you want tomorrow. Hopefully you take this time to spend it with your loved ones, because that's what this is all about. Shit, if you don't have ones, I mean, shit, we got people on the internet to spend our holidays on now. So, I mean, try to do something that's going to make you happy tomorrow. Get the rest. The market is going to be closed. Take that break, and we'll come back strong tomorrow night. And with that said, Merry Christmas and peace out, everybody.